Hello guys, this is Auto Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin online. So I'm going to show you an article and read through it so that you can see the various ways through which you can buy Bitcoin. So you can buy Bitcoin via exchange in 3 steps. The most common way to buy in Bitcoin is via Bitcoin exchange. These exchanges are basically those where people can buy and sell Bitcoins, and the exchange facilitates this process. And in turn take some commissions out of the exchange of Bitcoins. This is one of the most convenient ways to buy and sell Bitcoins for any traders. CAAX.io is an exchange that provides buying and selling of Bitcoins as well as other cryptocurrencies. If you want to go through them, you just have to open up a wallet, register and open an account like this, receive the two-factor code, and then you can proceed by buying Bitcoin. And you can choose the payment method that is most convenient for you. Also, they'll ask for some verification, like a picture of your ID and some other details. You can also trade Bitcoin through contract for differences. There's a big difference between buying and holding on to Bitcoins and trading Bitcoins. For many, it is just a case of buying and holding on to Bitcoins in hope that the value will continue to rise. While Bitcoin buyers will hold on for dear life and possibly sell once there's some profit in the interest of not losing money. Trading Bitcoin is an altogether different thing. Bitcoin traders who will be looking for daily volatility to trade and book profits with a short-term outlook on Bitcoin prices and the use of technical analysis in fundamental news for direction. Another site that you can use if you want to use this method is plus 500, on which you can open up an account. You need to verify yourself, and once you are verified, you can start buying and selling Bitcoins. Can I use regular money to buy Bitcoin? Cash can be used to buy Bitcoin, and there are a number of ways to do this. Local Bitcoins is the most popular exchange that allows Bitcoin to be purchased by cash. A Bitcoin trade can be carried out in person or by way of a cash deposit. Local Bitcoin locates a Bitcoin seller willing to accept cash and requests the prospective buyer to place the order for the number of Bitcoins wanted, who then receives the amount number of the seller for cash to be deposited. So basically you have to go through some sort of a middleman in order to pay via cash. You can also get a Bitcoin wallet. When looking to buy Bitcoin, it is strongly recommended that Bitcoin purchased are not stored on the exchange once purchased, and that Bitcoins are kept in a wallet created by the buyer. A wallet is essentially the same as a bank account and is very much the same way allows the owner of the wallet to send and receive and hold Bitcoins. You can also buy Bitcoin face-to-face or over-the-counter OTC trades. As we discussed earlier, the two most common ways to buy Bitcoin are either face-to-face with cash or an exchange / broker. Face-to-face transactions are very small, are the small investor looking to buy and sell a small number of Bitcoins anonymously. In stark contrast is the OTC market, where particularly large amounts of Bitcoins are bought and sold, the buyers and sellers being referred to as whales within the crypto world. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. These are a few methods through which you can buy Bitcoins. I also recommended some websites while going through these. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.